What's going on, guys? So today somebody came to me in one of my other videos and mentioned Honeygain. It's a way to earn passive income, basically renting out my idled internet, I believe. But let's take a quick look here because I'm going to go ahead and try to get this installed and configured on my Windows system and see how it actually runs. And go from there. So let's take a quick look. With Honeygain, you can make money by simply sharing your internet. Start earning now. I have another video where I implemented Grass, which does the same thing here, where it rents out your idled internet or your network connection. Luckily, I have multiple static IPs here, so I'm able to run different nodes and different I guess network sharing type or network renting, and I have gigabit fiber, so I'm able to basically provide a lot here. With Honeygain, you can make money by simply sharing your internet. Start earning now. So we're recognized by the industry. Easy ways to maximize your earnings. Bandwidth sharing. 30 cents per gigabit. That's huge, guys. 30 cents per gigabit. I have another video, like I said, with Grass, and they only give you points, and until that network drops or it goes to mainnet, I'm only getting some points at the moment, so I'm not really able to cash that out. Here I can cash out, and I believe you can cash out using PayPal, which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. There's other options to get here. Draw. Referrals. The referral will be below. Just don't you worry here. So I'm gonna add achievements. Honeygain credits. Unlock various achievements and claim your rewards. I don't know about all of this stuff here. Content delivery. Choose content delivery to make money by the hour. It's bandwidth intensive, and we have limited places available. This is interesting. I'm going to be using one of my laptops I just have sitting around, doing nothing besides I might be mining Fry on this system here. Yeah, so this is another bandwidth miner. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started and see what it's about, just to see if it's worth it or not, and see what the actual payouts look like in another video. So I'm on a time crunch, so I want to see how easy this is. I'm gonna go ahead and sign up. Okay, here we go. Download the Honey app to your device. But here we go. Start earning in 3 steps. Download the Honeygain app to your device, install and open the app, log in using the same credentials. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's download. Okay, let's go ahead and run that. This is just an exe. It's going to be as simple as installing any other program, from what it seems like. This ain't the best computer, but it does the job, and I like to test a lot of different things. And if it's for bandwidth mining, it's nothing to do really with the system itself. It's just going through the NIC, or the network interface card, or the network card. Basically, I'm going to be using this computer on LAN. I have a actual local connection, nothing wireless, just because it's consistent. And you have the potential to earn more. So I obviously want to test that. I will be testing on a Wi-Fi system. So let me see. Setup again. Yep. Let's go ahead and click yes. I accept. You should read through all of this for testing purposes. I'm just gonna assume they're legit. This computer is segregated off my network.
That's awesome. There's that.
I don't know if I've shown you my other node. This one is the one that I'm actually testing Grass. So Grass is another one that you're able to basically rent out your bandwidth or your idle time. See, there's epoch, and there's different types of epochs, but you're only earning points, right? This is all you're earning until they go live on the mainnet. You're really not making much off of here. So I'm just testing this. Hopefully, it'll pay out in the end. Now, Honeygain is a little different. Honeygain, I'm able to get payouts now, and it's giving me 30 cents a gigabit. Here we go. Okay, because there must be some setup that we need to do in configuration. How is it paying me out? Okay, here we go. So let's just keep going. We can look through that later. Since this is for testing purposes and video content purposes, I'm just going to continue here. I'm very interested to see what type of earnings, you know, we could get. If I can get anything back just by sharing my idled network, then I'm okay with that, because then I can use this income to pay, you know, the internet bill, right? Let's wait for that. I'm not sure why it's taking so long to accept the terms. Profile. Here is my referral link. I'll have this down at the bottom. We'll get $3 starting gift. That's not bad. 10% off their earnings. That's cool. So I'm gonna leave that down there as well, just so you could get started, and it would help me out, you know, for sharing some of, you know, these installs with y'all. Oh, here we go. Keep app running, earn effortlessly, employ your devices, make web better, refer it for reward. Let's get started. Okay, let's log in. This is that account you just created. Okay, so Dell Inc. This is basically it. I'm pretty sure once boost your earners, you'll be redirected to Honeygain. Enable JumpTask mode, start earning more, and get instant payouts. So we can go into our statistics. Here we go. Confirm email. Make sure this is all out of the way. Get that all out of the way. Task. So let's see what it does here. I don't know what JumpTask is. I'm just gonna see what it is and see if we want to enable it. If we can earn more, then let's go ahead and try it. All right. Oh, this might be really easy. Share 15 megabits per day and win up to 100,000 Honeygain credits. What is a Honeygain credit? I have no idea. I'm gonna do a little bit more reading into this. We're actively sharing. What's new? This is your dashboard. This is basically where you're gonna get all the information that you're gonna need in order to run this. Profile settings. Yeah, like where is my, how do I set up my payout? Alright, so I just started seeing, these are some statistics already. So far, I've only had it up for a couple minutes, and I can already see that it's sharing, and I didn't have to open any ports on my firewall. I don't believe you have to. I think this is just basically a set it and forget it, install and quit it, that type of application. I just want to see how it affects a few things in the next couple of days. I'm going to be paying attention to this. I do want to see how it affects the rest of the resources on my system. Again, this isn't a heavy computer. It's an old laptop I had sitting around that I just, I use for testing. And I do pay attention to this stuff, because if I am going to be educating and letting people know about these type of programs and mining software, I need to make sure they understand, what it's going to cost in order for them to get started, what type of systems. You can also install this on phones. I think it's only Android right now. I tried finding the application on my phone and I haven't been able to find it, but let me try again. I might just searched. Yeah, it's not there. So that is basically it. It looks like I'm already in a few minutes I've earned 2 out of 15 megs, which are we're already going to be working on that. We're going to be getting as much honey as possible, right? That's the name of the game here. I just want to get as much passive income as I possibly can. And am for Linux, so I can install this on the Linux box too, which I probably will. I have another Linux machine. Linux machine sitting in the bag, so. Alright guys, that's basically it. I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for the next up. There goes my Fry miner. Bandwidth mining here. So I wonder how that affects. I wonder if I get any errors. So if you have Fry bandwidth miner also installed, this will basically tell you right now if it's continuing to work in the background. Seems so. It seems like it's run. But let's let that sit. Let's see. What's going on, guys? So we're back today. So I've let this run a couple days now, and I just wanted to do an update on where we were. So in the beginning of this video, I showed you how to set this up fairly easy, and then I actually made sure that I am getting paid back in Jump token, I think it's called. So we're gonna take a quick look here. So if you look here on my Honeygain dashboard, you can see here that today I've already earned 151 Honeygain or JumpTask. I'm not 100% sure what the hell I'm making. I'll let you know. I just can't remember. It's been a couple of days, and I'm just trying to get back into this. But as you can see, the first actual day was 2 days ago, and yesterday was my full solid day. So if you can see here, I'm making about 152 tokens a day just sharing my data. I have a lot of data. I have gigabit connection up and down fiber, so I have a residential area here, so it's nothing for me to share this because it's not going to affect any of my traffic on my local network, so it's just not an issue for me. So this kind of benefits people like me, where I can get back for actually having too much data or too much bandwidth. So let's take a quick look at the JumpTask. Let's go to the dashboard and see how that is looking. You see the price. So I'm already getting the passive income enabled feature here, and here's where we were. So okay, so it is. So I'm getting jumped tokens. That's what I'm getting paid as. So if you receive more payment. So if you look at the Honeygain dashboard, you can see here that I am getting plus 30 more token and a 10% gift because I am collecting my payout in JumpTask. But am I making? I guess I'm making Honeygain. Now we'll be taking a look at the staking options and what's available for us. So I am getting JumpTask. See, so I switched it over to JumpTask. Get 10% bonus on all earnings to your JumpTask wallet while paying out through JumpTask. Okay, I get that. However, share 15 and Honeygain credits. I share way more than that a day. You see what I'm saying? Take a quick look. We'll take a look at transaction here, history, and statistics. Let's take a quick look at the statistics here first and see what options we have. So I'm trying to test and see which one of these data sharing projects is actually worth it. We're still in early. There's still a lot to go, a lot of tweaks that they're going to be doing, a lot of fixes, and they're going to be growing. So the earlier we're in these projects, the better for us, because we're going to benefit in the long run with whether it's the prices of the tokens as they are now, we're just gathering them up, or when they release some airdrops. And I love airdrops, so I'll take an airdrop all day just by playing around with all these new projects. So here we go. I am kind of interested in seeing how the referrals go, but so far under gathering, and this little icon here, this tells me it's a Honeygain token, correct? So as of right now, I've earned about 203. My best paid day is 188, but that's only one day. So here's the statistics. Let's see the transaction history. Yeah, so I am getting Honeygain token, but I get 10% more because I have a JumpTask wallet. Here's my earnings. So I am making Jump token. Here it is. So in addition to making your Honeygain token, you're also winning. Oh, here we go. So I did get a lucky pot earning JumpTask bonus. So I'm gathering JumpTask, gathering JumpTask. Okay, so this is how it works. So you gather and then you get your bonus. You gather and then you get your bonus. That's your 10% gather bonus. I see how this is. I haven't done any payouts yet. I'm not really gonna do that. I'll probably wait a month or so to do any type of payouts and see how things work out. But I'm gonna skip the referrals for now because I'm just assuming it's just a referral code. I'm just gonna place that below so you guys can jump on this. But confirm email, unlock achievement. So come in here, you're able to register, install the app, and confirm your email. Then you can unlock achievements. What does this mean? I have no idea. You're doing it with me the first time. So I've already did this, so I can claim this reward. 1 of 1, progress, reward, discover, and switch to JumpTask mode, toggle switch. Let's claim that reward. Wonder what it's gonna give us. And click OK. Don't really know what that award was. Rewards claim. So I'll go ahead and look at that later. Onboard, complete tasks to unlock achievements. Let's gain that. Reward claim. You have to say complete onboarding task. Rookie. Okay, so I think these are just badges. So we're just gonna continue to collect all of these. Honeygain. Invite 1 new friend. Somebody joined with my link below. I want that badge. Reward 10. You have to complete a steady gainer challenge. Share your achievement with friends. I'm busy bee, meaning that my computer is online and it's not really going offline, so it's steady there. Oh, there's additional tasks here. Okay. So Honeygain buddy, invite 1 new friend, open the lucky pot 7 times. So after a week I'll probably open that because I've already opened my lucky pot today for the first time. The next video I'll do it probably with you on, just so you can see that. Offer section, complete 3 times JumpTask offer section. Receive. Okay, so there's additional things that we could do in your JumpTask. I'm assuming there we go. Here are your other offers that we're able to also do to earn some additional token. But I'm not really in it for that. I don't really care for all these other tasks. I do like these little badges, so they're pretty cool. It just gives the person on the other end some incentive to continue. Like I can see the appeal of it. But again, back to overview, this is basically all it is. Honeygain, it offers you the ability to rent out your internet. It's secure, it's safe. You don't really have to worry about really getting hacked or anything like that. This is extremely secure. They haven't had any issues based off what I know of as of right now, and I like cybersecurity and a lot of that stuff. So I just want to let you know that is it worth it? Not 100% sure yet. This is based off of 1 day's payout, or 1 full day's collection. So I am not 100% sure what the total payout is, what this is going to cost. Let's see what the Honeygain is currently right now. Let's see, you got people already making money. People are also not taking their payouts in tokens. They're actually getting paid out in PayPal, I think, in USD, which I don't care for that. Every gig is about $1. So you share a gig, you get $1. Currently, what am I sharing? It's looking like $3 a day. Right, where is mine? It's telling me that I've shared about 6 megabits, which is just about 6 gigs. 6 gigs about $6. That's about $6. If that's $6 a day, think about how that will accumulate. Let's find out in a few more days. I can customize it. Here we go. In the last 7 days, here we go. This is a little bit better. Math doesn't add up to me, but we'll give it a few days and see. So far, it's still beginning of the day, and I'm already at 122. I am pretty sure it's going to catch up to that 177, 71 tomorrow. This will probably do even better, as I won't be in the house utilizing the traffic on the network, and it probably will work better. But as of right now, I think this is a great option for anybody to share their data, share their internet. If they have a great service provider, I don't see why not utilize this on one of your idle computers, or even on a computer that you're running in the background. As if you can see here, it doesn't utilize a lot of my computer's resources. Its memory has been taken up because I also have a bandwidth miner. Memory is getting chewed up by, here we go. Here's your Honeygain dashboard, GPU process. See all other things, my MetaMask, but here you go. You got your JumpTask, earning. It's not really taking up a lot of the resources. This is an older computer, and when I tell you an older computer, that's exactly what I mean. I really don't want to show you all that. It's basically a 10-year-old laptop that I have sitting around, and I also am running Fry Foundation Miner on it. And since I also have it sitting here, I might as well. And there is your bandwidth speed. This is just a bandwidth miner for the Fry Foundation as well. As my Honeygain application running. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I will review this again in about a week or so, maybe a couple weeks from now, and see exactly where we're at and see if it's still worth it. The bull market is starting to hit, and we're going to see a lot of gains in all of these different meme coins and different altcoins, and I just want to make sure that everybody takes advantage of any opportunities that we can get and show you how simple it is. You don't need a huge GPU miner or a big mining rig. You can do CPU mining. You can do all different type of energy efficient mining and still earn in the back end. But that's what I'm here for, and that's what I'm here to do, is show you guys how to do that and how to do it with the least amount of revenue putting towards it, you know, because I'm always broke. I don't have that much money. I just put it into different locations, and I build my bags up. But with the available funds that I do have, I like to get into projects like this where it's going to cost me, you know, a few bucks to get into it, and or if not free, and start earning. Even if we're early, you know, I'm the type to get into a project 2 to 3 years early before I get any type of revenue. So if you're like me, man, just like and subscribe, and you know, we'll go at it some more. Thank you for watching.